Assalamu alaikum all of you. As you all know, I am your classmate Sajad Ali. My roll number is 2K20MB73. The topic which I have selected for the presentation is account writing. So first of all, I would like to define it. Account writing is basically written to provide description of any past event. It's up to you whether you write the subject of account writing or not. So subject may be included or not. So there are certain rules for writing account and instructions. So let's have an overview on the format of account writing. So account writing is done in order to provide the reader the information of past events, means the events which have taken place in the past. So there are certain there is a format for writing account. So you have to start your account by mentioning the reader. For suppose, if you are given a task recently in your school, you have witnessed on noisy argument between two students quarreling on food. These two peoples have never liked each other. The principal asks you to write an account of the event. So you would mention the principal. If you can see here, it is written 1 minute. Yes. So here is written to the principal, means you have to mention the reader to whom you are writing. So after this, you have to start your introduction. You have to tell the purpose of account writing. For suppose you are writing to the principal, you are describing an event, so you would write, I am writing this letter regarding the incident, this account regarding the incident or to apprise you of or to inform you of. So your information, your introduction would be, I am writing to apprise you of the recent incident of heated squabble. Squabble means noisy quarrel or argument, means conflict, which took place between two students of class on a particular date. If you are willing to mention the date, it is advisable. After this, you have to write rubrics. Rubrics create suspense and defines what is expected furthermore. You have to write rubric number 1, rubric number 2, rubric number 3, in which you have to describe the events which have taken places. You have to mention the date of the incident and the name of the students, what started the argument in that particular time, how incident continued, or why the pupils were fighting. After this, you have to give your signature and name. It's optional whether you are willing to write your name or not, but the date is compulsory, so you have to mention the date. So don't forget to write the date. After this, we have certain instructions. To grab the reader, you should use sketchy vocabulary. You have to you have to follow these instruction. Account may be format or semi-format depending on the task you are given. So I have given the example of two students fighting for food. This means that the account which would be written would be formal, because you are writing that account to the principal. If you are if you are describing some event to your friend or your uncle, so it may be informal. After this, it should be written in past tense, means that past events should be described. The Your account must be in past tense. In account writing, try to put events in sequence.